Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So this is the property, guys. Is 11,000 square meters along Provincial Road and soon to become a road connecting to the Pitogo Island or President Garcia Island. So itong kalsada na to, guys, magkukonek na ito sa President Garcia Town. So it can be turned into a commercial property. Kasi ito na talaga, i-connect na yung isla sa kabila at sa mainland, Ubay. So the project will start next month according to the neighbor. So ito ang kagandahan ng property natin ay 9,000, murang-mura pa. 11,000 square meters, super mura pa at 9 million pesos. Siguro pag matapos na yung bridge, hindi natin kasi may nag-iisip yung may-ari pag hindi talaga mabenta. Tapos meron ng bridge, baka hindi na nila ituloy. So sa ngayon, itutuloy lang muna because we just ask them to continue because we have also a prospect buyer, no, but we just uploaded. So ang lupa ay papuntang itaas, so uphill, a little bit uphill, parang nag-ano lang siya, guys, slightly uphill. Pag dating mo sa dulo sa itaas, yung may coconut, parang nandyan ka na sa itaas, makikita mo na lahat yung mga view, yung view to the mountains, sea view, yun po. Ang nakagandahan nito is malaki ang frontage, pwede siya convert into commercial kung matuloy na yung itong kalsada papuntang tinatawag namin President Garcia Town or Pitogo Island. Tinatawag namin niyang Pitogo, in local name Pitogo. So yan po is the part of the Pitogo Island, guys. Malapit lang yan, guys, malapit lang yan talaga. Maganda man ang performance ng gobernador natin sa Bohol kasi yung mga tulad ng Trinidad at saka Talibon, inano na nila, may shortcut na. So magagawa talaga nila yan. So ito po ang nasa kabila na side, no, sa beachfront. Yung lupa dyan, hindi masyado magandang beach, pero at least hindi naman siya maputik. It's a gravel. Kung mataas ang tubig o mataas high tide, guys, pwede pa rin tayo maliligo dito. So ito ang napakagandang investment. Kasi tumataas talaga basta beachfront. Bihira na lang yung mga property na binibenta na beach. So kaunti lang ang mangroves. May mangroves talaga, hindi bawal yan putulin, guys, pero kung sa tingin natin na makasagabal, wag talaga. I-ano lang natin, i-arrange lang, i-arrange. Pwede natin i-trim lang siguro ng kaunti. Yun lang pong ginagawa ng iba. They are just trimming the mangroves. And then to the access, going to the access to the sea. So ang nakagandahan dito, guys, may sandbar dyan, mga just few minutes drive or just few minutes travel, no, via bangka yan sa amin, yung magbugsay lang tayo, yung by paddling, makapunta na kayo dyan. It is connected with the Tres Marias mountain. It belong to the Pitogo Island. At saka may mga diving spot din, guys. So kung sakali bilhin natin to, magawa tayo ng swimming pool sa taas, residential. At saka pwede natin maggawa ng mga boating. Kasi may mga speedboat talaga magpunta dyan. Marami. Makikita natin dyan. At maliligo doon sa sandbar, mag-diving. So, maraming magagawa dito. The adjacent of this property, guys, is also a beach resort. So, hindi lang natin pinakita. Pero nandyan talaga. So, maganda, very peaceful ang place. So, it's really a good investment. So, malaki naman, 11,000 square meters. Clean title for 9 million pesos. So, maganda ang ano natin, guys. Hindi masasayang yung 9 million pesos mo. Kasi, it's really a beach lot. So, may mga foreigners na dyan nakatira. Mayroon na, marami na. Super. So, very nice to have this property. To own this property. At saka bihira na lang binibenta na beach, guys, na medyo mura. It's something 818 pesos per square meter. Yung mga beach talaga, it's ranging from, it's more than 3,000 to 5. Ito ang mura lang talaga, super mura. It's a northern part of Bohol Province, just around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. It's on northeast side of Bohol. So Bohol or Ubay has already a Pure Gold mall to be open this March, and more commercial places in Bohol like McDonald's nandyan na po. So very progressive and soon to become a city yung Ubay, guys. So ito po yung Pure Gold. Nakausap ko yung in charge dyan kasi nag-arrange na sila, starting to arrange according to her that it will be open on March. At ito po yung McDonald's, guys, still on operational. So if I were you, you will buy properties in Ubay kasi maraming investment and maganda ang mag-invest at to become a city also. Thank you.